Drake, hello guys! Kamusta? How are you guys? Ayun, so anyway, tuloy mo yung kwento. How you started with the brand, yung Luna brand, and where?
Luna, Luna started at Styled.
Styled, yeah.
Maliit lang na pop store noon.
At maliit yung pwesto mo. Isang eskaparate, literally.
As in, yung time na hindi ko alam kung makabayad kami ng rent. But
galing.
then,
sobrang galing.
Yeah.
Galing.
Bigla siya
nag-boom! Hanggang sa ilan ang branches mo ngayon?
Right now,
Luna?
we have 5. And then we're opening a lot more.
Yeah.
Tapos partner na nila.
Partner si Ivana. Partner ba ba? Ivana.
Andrea Brillantes.
Andrea and
Rabia.
Tsaka ito pa,
celebrity partners.
hindi lang sila basta endorser, involved din sila.
Yun nga, kasi partners eh.
Tsaka
Parang business partners.
Hindi yung pinilit mong ma-involve ha. Yung kinakausap ko sila, it was genuine.
Yeah,
Boss
sila
Rabia tsaka
mismo.
si Andrea pa lang. Parang they're really into, they trust yung vision nila Drake para sa brand.
So they're not just investors, they're really business partners. Kaya aalagaan nila yung business nila.
Sobrang galing.
Ayan yun. Yan yung ba yung katatapos lang na, tama ba, na report mo?
Yes, oo.
Andrea?
Yes.
Sino itong mga to, Dustin? Annotate nyo?
No.
Yan, sige.
Sona ba yan? O, ba't di ka nag-hi? Nandiyan ako, south, north ka dumaan.
Sa north.
O, dapat pala nag-hi ka sa akin.
Dati ang Luna, di ba?
Yes, tama. Siya yung gumawa ng fashion stories. Go.
Dati ang Luna, ako lang. Now, since it's getting bigger, marami na kami.
Ayan, marami ka ng partners and investors. Yan. Paano naman kayo nagkakilala on a personal level muna before kayo naging business partners?
Common friends. Tapos, yun, bonding. And then, actually, nag-start yan before pa.
Nag-start ka as a buyer o as a personal friend? As a friend.
Tapos yun, nag-start na kami mag-usap-usap and then nag-plan siya to expand.
And then you will be part of the Mindanao. You will be in charge of the Mindanao region.
I have a question, especially to you, Drake, since you started this. How did you, sabi mo hindi mo alam kung may pambayad ka ng renta, no?
So, buti lang mabait kami. Kahit na, may delay ng konti sa rent, alam naman ako, okay lang.
Pero bongga yun, imagine mo, parang, paano mo, how did you trust this vision na magiging mainstream ang mga diamante, lalo na para sa mga, syempre lahat tayo nagkatrabaho, di ba? Hindi naman lahat kasing well-to-do ng iba. Di ba? Paano mo na na hindi, kaya ko tong gawing mainstream, kaya ko tong gawing masa, kaya ko to malaman ng fans ng mga artista.
Siguro maganda, ikwento mo how you started kasi wala ka pang pwesto nun. So, how did you start as a retailer sa jewelry?
Mahilig lang talaga ako sa jewelry. So, palagi nagpo-post sa Instagram ng mga jewelries and then people would buy lang. Hindi ko siya naisip na business pa nun, actually. And then, ayun lang, may ipon lang, then mag-post, magpapahinga, then mag-ipon. Then, came a time na I needed to work na to provide for myself and my family. Naisip ko, seryosohin ko na to. Just do it.
Galing.
That's how it was.
So, nag-start ka as bumibili ka, and then binibenta mo. Parang ahente. Parang ahente ng mga jewelry.
And then, nagkaroon ng chance na may friend na nag-introduce si Madam Res. Hi, Madam Res.
Si Mitch.
Madam Mitch.
Ini-introduce ka kay Mitch.
Styled na they're opening a pop-up store. Ako naman, business person talaga ako kasi I grew up with my dad, family business. So, I wanted my own talaga. So, yung opportunity na yun, ginrab ko na.
Hindi mo na pinalampas. What was your startup capital as your own solo businessman ba?
Ganito lang kakonti yung siguro mga 10 sets lang.
10 sets ng mga alahas.
Sobrang konti lang.
May 1 million capital ba yun?
Wala pa. Tapos parang araw-araw kami nagpupuntang Binondo para to get new stock. As in, di ko lang na malaya. Second branch na kami dun sa next style ni Madam Tin.
San ka pumalo? Yung na-feel mo na, oh my God, napansin na. Kasi yung Luna parang, nasilaw ako, wait lang. Nasilaw ako sa...
Stay brilliant nga.
Nasilaw ako, na-distract ako.
Nasilaw ka ba?
Hindi, pero saan mo nalaman na pumalo ka na?
Actually,
anong year? After you started with As a Style? Anong year? After how many years?
I think during pandemic. Doon ko na-realize na... During pandemic, doon ko na-realize na business na talaga to. Parang it's something na people needed. Kasi during pandemic, doon kami nag-open ng 4 stores in 1 year.
Kasi ironically, MJ, akala mo pandemic naghihirap syempre, maraming tao nawalan ng trabaho, walang business, pero ang mayaman ay mayaman pa rin. At hindi sila makabiyahe, pero ang dami nilang pera. Tapos pag mga weddings, walang big weddings, di ba? Pero they've got so much money, they invested in diamonds.
Online
Kaya
shopping.
nag-boom ang Luna. Ang daming buyers.
Wow.
So during those, siguro pag may pandemic crisis, people would lean into a currency na medyo global. So, what we see kung anong mawala yung papeles.
Yung value ng money pwede pero ang diamonds, andun pa rin yung value. Kaya ang galing, di ba?
Ano yung mga, yun naman, no? Para, syempre yung mga well-to-do. Sila talaga yung may ganyang kalalaking bato, etc. Pero yung mga starting, yung mga, kasi yan ang mga fans di ba? Yan talaga, marami ding sobrang yaman na fans, di ba? Na can afford. Pero maraming kakagraduate pa lang, di ba? Yung target. What's your advice sa mga ganon? Yung talagang pinag-iipunan nila ito, and why is it worth investing?
In gold. Well, yung gold kasi syempre,
gold and diamonds.
Gold and diamonds. Well, kunwari, if you're starting, syempre, gusto mo, mga simple muna yung gold ang bibilin mo. Hindi ka muna mag-jump into the diamonds.
Okay.
So, you also attach some kind of sentimental value when you buy those pieces Kasi syempre, like, you want to commemorate a graduation, a birthday. So, yun yung mga tao na bumibili, tapos they go to trusted sellers. Siyempre, we advise that you go to a trusted seller para sure ka na you're buying the value, yung talagang may value yung binibili mo. Siyempre, nag-ipon ka ng pera. And you wanna make sure na tama yung binibili mo, that they're not overselling you with anything, diba? So
did you get, did you implement yung mga schemes that could make it more reasonable?
Easy payment schemes.
Oo, easy payment schemes. Kasi 'di ba parang to scale up, especially in malls na naglalakad yung mga tao, hindi naman lahat doon niche na, 'di ba, na jewel addicts. Ganon. Parang ano yung naging style nyo? Paano kayo pumalo sa mga mall?
Sa most, with the credit card promos.
Yun. Doon kayo. Kasi lahat ngayon, di ba, alam na nila
Pwede
how to
na
use
installment, layaway.
No interest yan.
No interest.
Credit card, no
0%
interest. Yan.
Yun
So,
yung
nakikater.
style. Galing.
Pero how much does one need? Yun ba? First ever ko na gintong singsing o gintong hikaw, how much yung pinaka-affordable na set ninyo?
Actually, meron kami below 20,000.
Oh, earring yan
Yeah.
o ring?
Madami
Set.
kami.
Set.
Meron
When
kami.
you say set, earring, ring, and necklace?
Pwedeng may combination ng earrings and then may ring ka or
Yung mga
like,
pang
May tier.
everyday.
Yes.
Para 'di ba kasi actually yung iba na maglalakad sa mall, doon sila
Monetize na.
hindi, or parang ayaw nilang pumasok kasi hindi nila alam magkano.
Yeah.
Pero para sa inyo may tier na agad. Para 'di ba, ito muna kaya ko.
Kasi 'di ba pag starting ka, hindi ka pa naman talaga bibili ng sobre. So parang especially sa age, pag yung age mo, hindi pa naman din ganun katanda. Normally, pag yung mga 20s, gusto pa niyan yung mga maliliit pa talaga, mga pang
Classic,
everyday.
everyday.
So,
Classic.
yung budget talaga,
Timeless.
pasok talaga siya.
So when you're in your 20s, you invest in something like a set of gold
Yes.
jewelry worth 20s din. 20K, something.
Ganun.
I-upgrade mo rin as you grow older. Ang maganda kay Luna, alam mo, pati sa mga vlogs namin ni Julius, nakikita ko how heavily you advertise sa YouTube.
Yeah.
Kaya natutuwa ako, pag lumalabas sila sa vlogs namin ni Papo, ini-screenshot ko talaga, ay, lumabas yung ad ni Luna sa vlogs namin ni Papo. Ganon.
Why is it so important yung mga ganun yung talagang sobrang heavily sponsored ads in social media platforms and yung ngayon na talagang tumataya kayo to partner with prime celebrities?
One of the big factors I think na I did with that is because I want Luna not to be just a jewelry brand. I want it to have a brand equity, a value that someday it will be like, you know,
Who's wearing a
yung
Luna?
yeah, a heritage jewelry brand na ma-proud yung mga tao na they bought it from Luna, and then maybe someday you could sell at a higher price range. I mean, like yung hindi lang yung gold and diamonds na value yung nagpapataas niya, pati yung name ni Luna.
Oh, it's part of a strategy.
Yeah.
Nice,
And
nice.
bakit nga naging Luna?
Luna because of the moon.
Kaya hindi ko makakalimutan yung nagregalo ka sa amin ng moon lamp. Ganda-ganda nun. Oo, symbolize talaga, Luna. Alam mo yung lap na ganyan na malaking full moon. Ganda-ganda no.
Oh, eto na. So, kayo na, syempre, usapang pag-currency na tayo, di ba? Gold and diamond.
Diamonds.
Pero ang dami pang ibang bato.
Yes.
Ano pang magandang investa na bato?
Gemstones, because they're very rare. Yung mga sapphire, mga rubies are always classics then. You also have your pearls. Yan, forever timeless. Ano pa ba? Well, aside from...
A lot. There's a lot of
Marami ka kasi
There's a lot of
magagawa with
options.
like jewelries, diba? Marami siyang designs and all that. So,
Ano yung mga do's and don'ts naman sa jewelry? Don'ts. Yan yung wag mong paano mo siya pahalagahan, alagaan. Ano yung mga no-nos?
I think malaking misconception na porket jewelry mahal, matibay, or kailangan, ano may parang hindi madaling masira. But no, jewelry should be treated like a kid, like a baby.
Oo.
Kasi they're precious eh.
Totoo.
Gold is a very soft metal. Not a lot of people know about it.
Talaga?
So, I think normal na ano siya ng mga jewelry brands na nagrereklamo na bakit madaling mabend, bakit madaling, because gold is
Kasi nga
really
soft metal.
Yeah.
Do you still have yung mga yung mukhang pera?
Yeah,
What do you call it? Kasing-
Gold foils?
Gold
Yeah.
foils.
Gold, yeah.
Kasi kasing nipis lang, itsura niya parang business card. Tas super
Nakita ko
nipis
yun!
lang. Ayan, yan.
Bakit nga uso yun? Wala lang. Pag nag-ano ka ng gold, di ba? Pag tinatago mo yung
Siguro
money mo.
for collection.
yes.
Kasi
Collectibles.
sobrang dami nagko-collect now ng gold.
Oo.
So, siguro, naisip nila yun na parang something na pwede mo lang talaga siyang i-keep and forgive. Kasi
Ganda
meron,
siya pang gifting.
Yeah, meron din siyang pwedeng may kasama na siya eh. So, maganda siya pang regalo.
Oo, kasi gold is gold. Ang ganda ng
And ang
presentation
taas kasi
in a black
now.
box.
Kaya lahat ng mga tao, kahit i-keep yan,
Yeah.
ang bilis tumaan.
And you can still sell it kasi
Yes.
totoong gold yun
Yes.
May value
Pwede
talaga
mo rin
May
ipatunaw
value,
pag gusto mo ng pag-uwang
Yeah,
set.
tama. Gandang gift. No? Kayo lang meron nun. Sa Luna lang meron.
Ang galing.
Oh, may question kami ni MJ. Ito mga celebrities that you partner with, si Rabia, si Andrea, tapos si Ivana. In-interview ko
Yeah,
sila, di ba, during the opening of your branch, Shangri-La Mall, yung sa may Bridgeway.
Yeah.
May investment sila, so hindi mo na sila binabayaran as endorsers. Wala nang talent fee.
No na. Like Ivana, sobrang supportive nila. I don't know why na,
Ay, magpabayad.
no na.
Yung Kelly lang. Ganun eh. Joke ko lang si Luna. Hindi nagpapabayad ng talent fee kaya namimigay si Dustin
Kaya
ng
pala.
Birkin at saka
Hindi ka ba ng Birkin? Grabe, magkati, baka mamaya hingian to. Baka biglang
Mayroon pang
yung
biro
mga
kay MJ.
Oo nga.
Anong color?
Ako alam mo na, purple.
Binigay ni nga ni Mamu from last week.
Ganun eh.
Dala-dala natin from last week.
Balik tayo. Kasi sila, meron din kayong CSR. Hindi lang kayo basta kumikita, you're not just after earning the money. Meron kayong mga foundation o beneficiaries na sinusupport. Tell us about this.
Sige, I'll start. So one of our collections is the Hope Collection.
Hope Collection.
Hope
Wow.
Pearl
Actually, that
Collection.
started with Style. Our bestseller.
Sa Style nag-start
Sa Style,
yan.
yeah.
Patingin
Yeah.
yan.
Okay,
Sorry, hindi ko na malayan
Mamu,
to.
you're changing lives.
So,
Open nga ng pop-up dyan sa Style.
Kaya nga maging kapitbahay ka na namin.
It started there yung single pearl lang.
Dustin, hindi ko na malayan to, ha?
that's a Hope Pearl Collection.
Tell us about this.
So
There's a small
that
pendant
one,
na.
so when you avail of the Hope Pearl Collection, you contribute actually to our foundation, which is the Stay Brilliant Foundation.
Which is, ano yung Stay Brilliant?
Anong hini-help? Paano nakaka-help?
Actually, madami kaming natutulungan. One
We really don't choose a certain...
Yes.
Walang particular specific or
Yes.
single.
Yes.
Basta kung kailangan
sino
ng tulong.
nangangailangan. Anong klaseng tulong? Education?
any
medical?
kind of help
Housing.
na housing. Actually, may mga nabigyan na ng housing ang Luna.
Galing yun sa kay Madam
Yes.
Kiesel.
Yung mga loyal.
Last week.
Uy, baka maging partner sa inay ko po. Baka
Yeah.
naman since anniversary
Yes.
namin, 5th anniversary ng inay ko po, maybe we can choose, with your indulgence, no, a nanay Na
Yeah.
pwedeng tulungan ng
We'll choose kung sino muna yung ano, yung...
Siyempre, pipiliin namin.
Oo,
diba?
gustuhin natin.
It's a very good
Serving
idea.
nanay.
Mas maganda yung...
Serving nanay na pwedeng bigyan ng negosyo or like what you said, kung talagang nasira yung bahay dahil
Yes, especially sa
kanina,
bagyo.
baka pwedeng pagawa natin.
If you
Ganon.
agree on that one, of
Agree.
course, syempre, no, i-hashtag nyo na po yung inay ko po and
Yeah.
Luna by Drake Dustin.
Yes.
And yung reason bakit kayo deserving ng tulong
Yes.
nila.
Yan na, sinabi na namin
Oo.
mismo sa area, di ba?
That's true, that's
Tapos,
true.
ano,
And para sa mga ano naman, may extra,
yes,
magkano
how
ito?
much? Yes.
This
much-
one is really priced para talaga pa everyone. It's made of natural pearls from Davao with the 18 karat gold pendant. It's can you guess?
Mahina ko sa...
With
Yes.
Sabi mo, affordable?
yes.
Affordable.
No.
You said 20s. 20K. 20K?
Yes.
Oh.
Less.
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 Oh, less. Hula. 20, less daw.
15?
15 to 20.
18.
Wow.
15 to 20.
18?
15 to 20,000. Actually, marami siyang
Actually,
iba-ibang
pwede
style.
nyo po ito i-consider na bilhin. Kung may mga extra kayo, pwede nyo ito i-consider na bilhin.
Yeah.
Tapos ipang-regalo.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Nakatulong pa.
Oo, nakatulong ka pa.
Do.
Sobrang ganda.
Kasi leg ko to. Charo!
This will come with this.
Joke
Yeah,
lang, guys.
it comes with the
The
Luna
very
signature
nice
trunk.
Luna signature black
Oo nga,
leather
parang-
box.
Actually,
Ganda
this
nito,
trunk
yes.
also has a story.
Oh, may story yung
It's,
trunk.
it's made by our local artisans in Marikina, the shoemakers.
Tulungan pa. Parang
Handmade.
pambata lang yung size, no? Parang hindi kasya sa lib.
Gusto ko si Mamo talaga gusto niya yan.
Oh, hindi kasya sa lib
Mamo.
natin.
Oo nga. Hindi, ano to, kasha
Ano to?
sa choker. Sa choker. Guys, but of course,
May size
saan,
daw, may size.
please promote your shops.
Yes, go. Dusty.
Oh, we have a lot of branches
Oo.
now.
Right.
But what's the best? O, contact ba kayo online to see everything?
Website, we have website.
Yeah, you can download the Luna mobile app,
Right.
available on iOS and Android, and our website, lunabydrakedawson.com, and our stores in Cebu,
Pampanga.
UC,
Shangri-La,
Pampanga,
yeah.
Shangri-La.
Oh, sige, I'll go.
Ortigas, go.
Shangri-La, we have in
Yeah.
Molito, in Alabang. We also have
And
in
we're going
Clover.
back in styled as well.
Wow!
Yes ako,
Yun
sensya
lang
na.
si
Si Mitch kasi, siya yung customer care. Tatlo kami. Si Jason, yung stylist. Ako si PR girl, yung advertising, blah, blah, blah. Tapos si Mitch, siya yung customer care.
Oo.
Sorry, hindi customer care. Merchant.
Yeah.
Tsaka naging
Merchant
close na rin
needs.
si Drake sa showbiz with Tito
Oo.
Jojo. Alam mo, susi sa lahat, nandun kami. Pero sabi ni Tito Jojo, okay, we'll be there.
Mas na-surprise si Madam Teen sa ilalagay namin sa stat. Kasi it's not just Luna, it's an international collaboration.
Ay, bongga. O, syempre pupunta kami doon sa launching, di ba? Guys, thank you so much. Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you,
Thank
thank
you.
you,
thank you.
Looking forward to having you again inside Styled Pop-Up Store. Ayan. Thank you rin. Pareho
Thank
kayong
you.
tan. Francesca and Patricia. Pagka kapatid.
no.
Hindi, not related. Kasi tan Melon tan, ting tan.
Actually,
Taon
it's,
lang.
Tan Melon.
Ah,
Tan is my middle name.
Okay, tan.
Baliktad.
Yeah.
Tan Melon. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
guys.